What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on the Q60. I know I said I was gonna trade the car and I was gonna sell it. I am still thinking about it, but my boy Jordan said that he wanted to get rid of his parts, so I went ahead and I picked up his front lip, still in front lip, and I ripped my last one off, so I might as well, throw another one back on. And I snagged this super clean Strictly Business diffuser, full carbon diffuser. It doesn't fit my exhaust, so I'm gonna have to do a little thing to my exhaust, so I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of the carbon, but super quality. Really like this bit. I'll be putting this one on another day, but for now, we're gonna put the lip on. So let's get the mod started and let's throw this lip on the car. So sick. Damn. So this Stillen lip actually fits really good. I had an Icon Motorsports lip and it didn't fit at all. This one actually fits really good, surprisingly. Seems freaking gangster, dude. And Stillen also has these things. I'll put a picture in it, like the winglets that go in here. I'm thinking about getting those also, but these are super clean. I really like this lip. Came out really nice. Also probably gonna end up wrapping the grill again because it peeled up, so I'm gonna take it off, and then yeah, maybe wrap those black as well. But dude, super clean. I like it. And on top of it, I got it for free 99, so I can't complain. I cannot complain. Oh, but also I got this other model I want to show you guys. Keep this. So got these on Amazon. I had another set, but they were like super like shitty, and it only lasted like a year and 5 months. But this one is like super high def, and I got it on both sides. And like if you see like the Infiniti logo right here that's illuminated, it like matches perfect, and it looks super good. There's like the cheap version of these that you can buy. That's like $20 or $15. I don't remember what I paid for the other ones. They work pretty good, but they're not like as crisp as these. These are more expensive. These are like $49.99. I'll put a link in them below if you guys want to purchase those as well. But damn, dude, I like it. This lip came out good. Those things look super nice. So just a quick little mod video on the Q60, but let's keep the video going. Hope you guys liked that little montage, but quick video. We're gonna let her go to sleep tonight, but peace, guys. Actually, we still got the diffuser that we're gonna do. We're gonna do it on another day though, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.